Hello everyone, welcome to Perseverance IAS. Today is July 31, 2021. Let us begin with the important articles to be read in the Hindu newspaper for today. The first one is SC to hear plea against snooping against next week. This is in regards to the Pegasus software filed by a group of journalists to be probed by independent or retired Supreme Court judge. So this is in regards to the Pegasus. Since this matter has become sub judice, we are going to wait until some sort of a decision is made by the courts of India. So you have to read this article from that perspective. After reading the first article in the first page, that is the main page of the Hindu newspaper, now we are moving to the sixth page of the newspaper, where we'll be reading ozone levels exceeding permitted levels study. So you have to read this from both environmental perspective and science perspective. You have to understand what are the causing agents of ozone, what are the disadvantages, what are the health implications, what are the environmental implications of having high levels of ozone in your atmosphere. So from that perspective, please do read this article. And if you could try to link up with, was there any difference found in lower level of pollution or lower level of ozone due to lockdowns? If you could do that, you could kind of have an evidence-based answer stating that whether they worked or not. I would suggest you look this article in that direction. Now moving on to editorial today. The first article is visualizing the Himalaya with other coordinates. So this is again in regards to looking Himalaya from a different lens, not from the lens of a geopolitical strategic perspective or a defensive perspective. Now, as far as the exam point of view, I don't think much of this article, but I would suggest, since it's a different article from what we read on a daily basis, just go through it once. I found it a little bit interesting in terms of how the author kinds of portrays Himalayas to me. So just read it. If you feel it is important, please do make notes. Otherwise, skip it. Now, moving on to the next article, law and lawmakers. This is in regards to yesterday's article where where the Supreme Court found lawmakers who create ruckus and cause property damage on the floors of assemblies are not protected under privilege and freedom of speech. This article puts the entire scenario into context. So I would like you to read this article along with yesterday's judgment to get a complete understanding of the issue altogether. Now moving on to the next article, patchwork progress. This is in regards to the banking issue. Please do read it from that perspective, because at the end of the day, banking issue is also one of the important issues that are plaguing our country. So that would be a possible point of question for either prelims or mains. So I would like you to read that article. There isn't much in op-ed today. So moving on to page number 10, India and China to hold 12th round of talks today. This is in regards to India-China standoff situation. This is again an update information just so that you be aware as to what is happening in Ladakh areas. Now moving on to the next article, study calls for sensitive reporting of rape cases. Again, this is an ethics article. Please do read it from that perspective, because at the end of the day, sensitivity stems from insensitivity. So do that ethics perspective analysis on this edit article and make certain points for your ethics paper. Now moving on to the next page, that is news, page number 11. The government introduces a bill on insurance firm. Again, any bill that gets introduced in the session, you have to get to know the summary of the bill, the intent of the bill, and the provisions of the bill, so that if and when any question is asked dissecting the bill, you will be ready for it. Now moving on to the next article, BRICS plan to counter terror finalized government. So what is the initiative that they are talking about, under which banner? So here they are working under the BRICS grouping. So what are the implications for India and the region? And try to read it from that internal security and international relation. This will certainly help you in understanding what kind of a counter-terrorism working group that is being worked out with BRICS nations. Now moving on to page number 15, that is world news. Pak US NSA's discuss Afghan settlement. Again, yesterday's editorial we were discussing how America is not decoupling itself with Pakistan in terms of anti-terrorism councils or whatever it is. Even in Afghanistan, this is again a testament to that statement. Please do read it from that perspective to get an understanding of how Pakistan and US relations are. Now, moving on to the next article, China battles fresh outbreak after months. This is just an informative article so that you are aware of it. Even the Pak US NSS is also an informative article just so that you are aware of what is going on. Now, moving on, 200 Afghan interpreters arrive in US. So, I would suggest you read what role that Afghan interpreters have played in war in Afghanistan and how much risk they took their lives in helping American troops and what were the threats that they faced. This is again an ethics point of view and an IR point of view, but not important for our exams. I want you to just be aware so that you understand the cause of war in a country. Now, moving on, Delta variant as contagious as chickenpox, a CDC document. From what I read, the document is kind of up and down. There is certain places where the kind of point out to the fact that it is as contagious as chickenpox. Again, they are saying that if you are vaccinated, you don't need to be worried about it. But just be careful when you read this article because there is a lot of noise that surrounds this report. My suggestion would be, as of now, kind of read it, be aware of it, don't get much mileage out of it. Now, moving on, a Navy carrier on course in South China Sea, again UK. This is a map pointing article. I already told you, find out what are the islands where China is building in South China Sea. Map pointing view. And next one is just, I found it to be very funny that China seizes consignment of world maps. This is again how China perceives Arunachal Pradesh, how complicated talks are with China when border issues are concerned. This is again an informative article. Actually, as a matter of fact, the entire world page today is an informative article. I don't think much notes can be made out of it. So, moving on to business core sectors grew 8.9 in June. Again, this is in terms of economic recovery. The one article that I would like you to read is the deficit reached 18.2% of year's target in June. So what I want or I would suggest you read today is how deficit targets are set, what are the parameters for it, and what are the factors that impact yearly target deficits being reached or missed. So from that perspective, please do read this article. Again, what are the core sectors, what are the parameters that govern them, how do you measure core sectors growth? From that perspective, please do read this article. These are the important articles to be read in the Hindu newspaper for today. Thank you. Stay safe. Namaste.